Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Today's subject is all about letters writing. I'm going to give you some valid point about as to how to write letters. A letter is a printed or written message usually sent to a person or a group through mail in an envelope. Here are some of the letter writing tips. Number 1, always try to make your letter personal. Tell why you care about the particular issue you are writing about. Don't distract your attention. Stay focused on the main point. Include all the specific points. It is always better to write a brief, polite letter to each targeted official than a long letter to just one. It is always preferable to avoid political or ideological issues unless specifically recommended. Always ask for a reply to your letter. This one is a letter written by a friend to another friend. My dear Randy, books are not the only things that exist in this world. You must see the world around you. I hope you know fully well the saying, all work and no play makes a dull boy. You should not shut yourself in a room reading all the time. It will spoil your health and make you unfit for the practical life. True education means proper development of body, brain, and mind. If any one of these faculties is neglected, you will surely have a difficult time succeeding in life. You must participate in games and take light exercise daily. It will refresh your mind and body. Recreation of the mind is necessary. There should be proper time for studies and games. I hope you will pay attention to what I have said above. Your friend, Sunny.